Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton over the weekend had to defend his position to use dancehall artist Spice to have COVID-19 conversations. During the Instagram live session on Saturday dubbed COVID Conversations, Dr. Tufton addressed critics who questioned the Queen of Stage's suitability to discuss issues related to COVID-19.
I was a little surprised when some people were commenting on whether or not you and I should be talking. And I said, why not? Spice has a big following. She's a Jamaican, but she's a citizen of the world. She has influence. And guess what? I'm Minister of Health and Wellness. I have a responsibility for all of Jamaica. And in a pandemic scenario, I have to contribute to healing the world.
In a later response via social media, Spice queried what was more important, the message or the messenger. Despite the controversy surrounding the minister's choice, the discussion did what was hoped for, attracting over 65,000 viewers, many of whom voiced concerns and asked Dr. Tufton questions relating to the state of coronavirus in Jamaica. The minister also shared candidly his experience with testing.
First of all, I don't really like going to the doctor, right? So I shut my eyes. It's like when I do a blood test, I don't look at the needle because I'm afraid.
Right.
but I mean, when they put it and it hits the back, the nurse said to me, I just want to tell you that you're going to see twinkly stars when it touches the back. It wasn't that bad, but it was a little uncomfortable.
Spice and her two children flew to Atlanta on March 13, where she is filming for Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.